How's it going, everyone? This is Luke with Fresh Bins Exterior Cleaning. This is my pressure washing and window cleaning setup. This is what has worked best for me for the past couple months, and maybe you can take some inspirations. So I have a 2016 Tacoma and I run my business out of this, and a lot of trial and error, but this is what has helped me the most. I have my garden hose reel with a garden hose wrapped around it, as well as my high pressure washer hose, which is about 150 feet. I have these just stacked on about 3/8 plywood, and they're just drilled. The pressure hose is drilled in. Then I have my pressure washer. This is really just a beginner one. It's a 2.6 gallon per minute that you can get at Northern Tool. Then I just have some extension poles and a bristle brush that you can get at Home Depot. A lot of this stuff is really inexpensive, and a lot of stuff you can get at Home Depot, Lowe's, Northern Tool. I got my ladders, which were about $150. Then I have my pressure washer, surface cleaner attachment, some safety cones, another extra garden hose, just in case. My Fabuloso and my spray bottles. These are what I use for my trash bin cleaning, just to make them smell good and disinfect them. I have my pump-up sprayer, my gas tank, a 5-gallon gas tank, some bleach or sodium hypochlorite, some LA Awesome degreaser, and then just some miscellaneous items, as well as my work boots, bucket with an X-Jet, and that's pretty much it. All of this is about $1,400, and it's actually pretty affordable if you compare it to like a $10,000, $15 skid. And this is a really great starter set if you want to get into pressure washing. It can really help you get your foot in the door, make some extra income, or turn this into your full-time job.